Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Shadowing. My name is Vanessa.
And I am Robert. Today we are going to have a simple English conversation about being at the bus stop.
This conversation uses easy English and common daily phrases.
Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Good morning, Robert. Are you waiting for the bus too?
Good morning, Vanessa. Yes, I am waiting for bus number 21.
Me too. I take this bus to work every morning.
Really? That is good. I am not sure if this is the right stop.
Yes, this is the right stop. Bus 21 stops here.
Great. I feel better now.
Where are you going today?
I am going to the city center. I have a meeting at 9.
The city center is busy in the morning.
Yes, I know. That is why I left home early.
Good idea. The bus can be slow when there is traffic.
I hope it is not too slow today. My meeting is important.
What time is it now?
It is 7:45. We still have time.
The bus usually comes at 7:50.
That is good. Only 5 minutes to wait.
Do you take the bus often?
Not very often. I usually drive, but my car is at the repair shop.
Oh no, what happened to your car?
It made a strange noise yesterday. It sounded like an angry duck.
An angry duck? That does not sound good.
No, it does not. My car needs a little vacation.
Then the bus is helping you today.
Yes, it is. I hope the bus is in a good mood.
The bus is usually friendly, but it is not always on time.
That sounds like some people I know.
Do you have a bus card?
Yes, I do. I bought one yesterday.
Good. It is easier than paying with cash.
I agree. I do not want to look for coins on the bus.
That can be stressful. The driver and everyone are waiting.
Yes, and my coins always hide at that time.
Coins are very shy in the morning.
Yes, very shy. They never come out when I need them.
Let me check the bus app. It says the bus is 3 minutes away.
Great. I like when the app gives good news.
Sometimes the app says 3 minutes, but it feels like 10 minutes.
Yes, bus minutes are different from normal minutes,
That is true. Waiting makes time very slow.
especially when you are hungry or late.
Are you hungry now?
A little, yes. I had a very small breakfast.
What would you eat?
I ate one banana. It was fast, but not enough.
One banana is brave, but it cannot do everything.
Exactly. My banana tried its best.
There is a bakery near your meeting place.
Really? That is very useful information.
They sell bread, coffee, and small cakes.
Small cakes before a meeting sound like a good plan.
Maybe just one small cake. You do not want to feel sleepy.
Good point. 2 cakes may be dangerous.
Look, I think the bus is coming.
Is that bus 21?
Let me see. No, that is bus 12.
Oh, false hope. Bus 12 tricked me.
Bus 12 is not our bus today.
It looks very proud. It knows we were watching.
Do you know where to get off?
I think I get off near Central Park, but I am not sure.
For the city center, you should get off at Main Street.
Main Street, okay. I will remember that.
It is after Central Park. You will see a big blue building.
A big blue building is easy to find.
Yes, and many people get off there.
That helps. I can follow the crowd.
Following the crowd works sometimes, but check the stop name too.
Good advice. The crowd may not go to my meeting.
Exactly. The crowd has its own plans.
Very true. Crowds are not always helpful friends.
Do you want me to tell you when your stop is near?
Yes, please. That would help a lot.
No problem. I get off 2 stops after you.
Great. Then I am safe for most of the trip.
Yes, I will be your bus guide this morning.
Thank you, bus guide Vanessa. I feel very lucky.
You're welcome. The bus guide works for coffee.
Fair price. 1 coffee for 1 safe bus trip.
Now that sounds like a good deal.
The real bus is coming now. I can see number 21.
Yes, that is our bus. Let's get ready.
I have my bus card ready. I feel like a professional now.
Very professional. You are ready for bus life.
Bus life sounds exciting, but also a little crowded.
It may be crowded today. Morning buses are often full.
That is okay. I can stand if there are no seats.
Hold the handrail when the bus starts moving.
Yes, I will. I do not want to dance by accident.
A bus dance can happen very quickly.
Yes, and I am not ready for a morning dance show.
The bus is stopping now. Let people get off first.
Of course, that is polite and safer.
Okay, now we can get on.
I will tap my card here, right?
Yes, tap it on the small machine near the driver.
It made a beep. I think it worked.
Yes, it worked. You are officially on the bus.
Wonderful. This is a big moment for me.
There are 2 seats near the window. Let's sit there.
Good idea. I like looking out the window.
The city looks different from the bus.
Yes, it does. I can see shops I never notice when I drive.
That is one nice thing about taking the bus.
Another nice thing is I do not have to park.
That is true. Finding parking can be very annoying.
Yes, parking can make a calm person very unhappy.
Do you want the window seat?
No, you can take it. I can sit by the aisle.
Thank you. I like watching the street.
No problem. I like being close to the exit.
Smart choice. Your stop will come before mine.
Yes, and I need to get off quickly.
Do you know how long the ride takes?
I think it takes about 20 minutes.
That is about right. Maybe 25 minutes with traffic.
Then I should arrive on time.
Yes, you should. You made a good choice leaving early.
Thank you. My morning self was smart today.
Morning Robert did a good job.
Even with only one banana, he did well.
Do you usually listen to music on the bus?
Sometimes, yes, I listen to quiet music when I travel.
That sounds relaxing. I often read messages or check my schedule.
I should check my schedule too. I do not want to miss anything.
Good idea, but do not forget to watch your stop.
Yes, that is the danger. Phones can steal attention.
Exactly. 1 minute you check your phone and then you miss your stop.
Has that happened to you?
Yes, once I missed my stop because I was reading a funny message.
Oh no, was the message worth it?
It was funny, but the extra walk was not funny.
That is a clear lesson. Funny messages can be dangerous.
Yes, very dangerous for bus riders.
I will be careful. My phone can wait.
We are passing the library now.
That library looks nice. Is it new?
Yes, it opened last year. It has a small cafe inside.
A cafe and a library sounds perfect.
Yes, but you must drink quietly.
Quiet coffee sounds funny. I can try.
The next stop is Central Park.
Okay, my stop is after that, right?
Yes, after Central Park, your stop is Main Street.
Great. I will get ready soon.
You do not need to stand yet. Wait until the bus leaves this stop.
Good idea. Standing too early can be awkward.
Yes, then you stand there and wait for a long time.
And everyone knows your plan.
Exactly. The whole bus knows you are leaving.
That sounds dramatic. I want a quiet exit.
You can press the stop button after this stop.
Okay, the red button near the window?
Yes, that one. Press it when your stop is next.
I see it. Bus buttons make me feel powerful.
Use your power wisely.
I will. I will only press it one time.
Good. Some people press it again and again.
Maybe they are excited to get off.
Maybe, or maybe they do not trust the first beep.
I trust the beep. The beep sounds serious.
Okay, the bus is leaving Central Park now.
Then I will press the button.
Nice. The sign says stop requested.
Perfect. I used my bus power well.
Now you can stand up slowly.
Okay, I will hold the handrail.
Your stop is coming. You can see the big blue building on the right.
Yes, I see it. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Good luck with your meeting.
Thank you. I hope it goes well.
Do you know how to walk from the bus stop to the building?
I think so. I cross the street and walk straight, right?
Yes, then turn left at the bakery.
The bakery with the small cakes?
Yes, that bakery. But do not be late because of cake.
I will try. Cake is strong, but I must be stronger.
That is the spirit. Meeting first, cake later.
Good plan. I like cake as a reward.
Here is your stop. Be careful when you get off.
I will thank you again, Vanessa.
No problem. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy the rest of your bus ride.
Thanks. I only have 2 more stops.
Goodbye. I am going to walk to my meeting now.
Goodbye, Robert. Do not forget, cake later.
I will remember. Cake later is my new rule.
That's our conversation for today.
Tell us your answer in the comments. Do you take the bus often?
What do you do while you wait at the bus stop?
Try to write 1 or 2 simple English sentences.
You can write, I wait for the bus, or I check the bus app.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for watching Easy English Shadowing.
Keep practicing a little every day.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye.